Hello all, in this video we will see how to change the uh, pin numbers of a particular footprint without individually opening each and every pin and editing the pin number. Like what we mean to say is, example, you see here a TSSOP package where the pin there are 20 pins, and if you see here the pin numbers are mentioned wrongly here. Here it is 1 to 10, and again here it is 1 to 10, but actually it should be 1 to 10, and then here it should start at 11. So let us see how to change these pin numbers smartly without actually going through each and every pin like this. Like example, what we do, we just double click and change the pin number, right? So we have to click on each and every pin, and it will take a lot of time. So instead of that, what we can do is we can actually select these pins, okay, right click, and you can see here there is an option called renumber pads, okay, and first pad number let us keep 11, okay, and if you click here it becomes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So, and then you can escape, or basically if you do an escape, it has gone off, right? So again, just (16, 17, 18, 19, 20), and then you double click, okay, and the pin numbering is done. So by mistake, if you click escape, everything goes off. So once last pin is done, double click, and the numbers get added. So this is the simplest way to actually edit pin numbers if you have given a wrong sequence when you are creating a footprint.